Hey there, history buffs. Let's embark on a fascinating journey through time to explore the evolution of democracy, from the ancient streets of Athens to the bustling cities of today. Our story begins in 508 BC in the heart of ancient Greece. The Athenians, tired of tyrants, introduced a radical system where citizens could vote on laws and policies. This was the birth of the world's first democracy. Imagine citizens gathering in the agora, passionately debating and casting their votes. No politicians, just people power. Fast forward to the Roman Republic. While not a democracy by today's standards, it brought the concept of a republic. Elected representatives and a senate were steps forward, but still, only a fraction of the population had a say. Jumping to the 17th century, we see the Enlightenment era challenging monarchies. Thinkers like John Locke and Montesquieu advocated for separation of powers and individual rights. These ideas influenced revolutions, notably the American and French revolutions, which etched the principles of democracy into their new governments. In the 19th century, the spread of democratic ideals was unstoppable. Nations around the world began to adopt democratic systems, expanding the right to vote beyond the wealthy elite. Women's suffrage movements, civil rights movements, they all fought tirelessly to broaden the democratic horizon. Today, democracy continues to evolve. We see it adapting to the digital age, with online voting and social media activism shaping public opinion. However, challenges remain. Populism, misinformation, and unequal representation, to name a few. So why is democracy so resilient? Because at its core, it embodies the human spirit's quest for freedom and equality. From ancient Athens to our modern world, democracy's journey is a testament to our collective pursuit of a fair and just society. Thanks for joining me on this historical voyage. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into history. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand the present.